In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Xero email address in just about 5 minutes. This little piece of information can be incredibly handy, especially if you're managing financial records or collaborating with your accounting team using Xero's platform. So let's dive straight in and make sense of how you can locate this detail within your Xero account. To start off, you'll need to navigate to the Xero website. It's as simple as opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Xero homepage URL, or just searching for Xero on your search engine. Once the page is up, you'll be greeted with various options, but our focus for now is on getting you logged in. Look toward the top right corner of the web page and you'll see a login button. This is your gateway to accessing your Xero dashboard and where all the magic happens. Go ahead and click on that button. This action prompts you to enter your credentials, that is the email and password you set up when you registered for Xero. It's crucial to ensure that these details are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've input your email and password, it's time to get into your account by clicking on the Login button. Assuming all your details were correct, you should now find yourself looking at your Xero dashboard. This is the central hub where you can access all of Xero's features, including the one we're interested in today. Now to the portion where a bit of navigational skill is required, but worry not, it's straightforward. You need to access your organization's specific area within Xero. If you're managing multiple organizations, ensure you select the correct one. Often it's directly accessible from the dashboard, or a drop-down list may appear with all the organizations you're associated with. Choose the one you need for this task. Once you're in the right place, your next step is to locate the Files section. This is typically found as a menu item or an icon. It depends on any updates or changes Xero may have implemented. Clicking on Files will take you to a new area within Xero where documents and images associated with your organization are stored. It's a handy place for keeping all your financial documentation in one spot. At this juncture, you're almost there. What you're looking for is your unique Xero email address. This is not the one you use to log in, but rather a specific email generated by Xero for sending documents directly to your Files section in the platform. To find it, you'll need to navigate within the Files section until you see an option or link that mentions something about an email address. This could vary, so keep an eye out for keywords. Once found, this link or option will reveal your Xero email address. It's typically a long string of characters at xeromail.com or something similar. Here's a pro tip. Once you've located your Xero email address, it might be a good idea to copy it and save it somewhere accessible. This email address can be incredibly useful for quickly forwarding digital documents and receipts directly into your Xero account, saving you the hassle of manually uploading files. And that's it. You've successfully found your Xero email address. This simple but valuable piece of information can significantly streamline how you manage documents within Xero. Remember, this email address is unique to your organization's Files section, making it a secure way to send documents directly to your account. Before I wrap up, just a quick reminder. While navigating through the Xero platform, be cognizant of the various features and tools at your disposal. Xero is designed to make financial management smoother and more intuitive for businesses of all sizes. Knowing how to navigate and utilize these features, like finding your Xero email address, empowers you to manage your finances more effectively. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Whether you're new to Xero or have been using it for a while but haven't utilized this feature, now you have the know-how to do so. If you have any more questions about using Xero or suggestions for what you'd like to see us cover in future videos, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Happy accounting, and see you in the next video.